if you're having a very hard time, it's difficult for you to even celebrate this Diwali, don't worry, time will pass. Pleasure and pain both don't last. Let this be your prayer as well when you celebrate Diwali. Dear God, lead me from darkness to light. I am under your care and your divine protection. May I be happy. May everyone around me also be happy and healthy. Diwali is a festival of lights. Along with decorating our homes, wearing wonderful new clothes, even distributing sweets among each other, we light diyas inside our homes. We pray to Mother Lakshmi and to Lord Ram to grant us peace, joy, happiness, and well being in our lives. Let us understand, however, the significance of this festival. It is said it is this day that Lord Ram took oath as the king of Ayodhya. For years, when Lord Ram was in exile, the subjects in Ayodhya suffered. People craved for Lord Ram's vision. They prayed for him to come back. And every day without him was a day of darkness in Ayodhya. People experienced a tremendous sense of darkness in their minds, hearts, and lives. And when he came back, it is said they decided to celebrate this occasion with the lighting of diyas. In fact, our Shastras tell us that every person who lit a diya at that time was actually lighting an Atma Jyoti diya. The light that actually ignited their own spirit, their own connection with the God power within them. In fact, all those people who witnessed Lord Ram being coined as the king, it is said even attained moksha because it was such a beautiful vision. Let us understand what are the few teachings we can take from Lord Ram today and how we can celebrate this Diwali in the best possible manner to bring well-being to us and our families. You see, first thing is, Lord Ram, since his childhood itself, always spoke less. It is said he always conserved his energy and only spoke when he was spoken to. And whenever he spoke with a lot of love. That is what we have to pick up from him. You speak less, you conserve your energy. Chances are you have a tendency to speak ill of others. Chances are we have a tendency to criticize others. So to make sure that we don't break these rules when we are speaking, first of all, try to speak less. And whenever you speak with a smile on your face like how Lord Rama spoke. Speak with love. Speak with sweetness in your voice. Like that, if you speak to others, they will not only understand you and your point, they will also like to do good things to others because you spread good energy among one and all. The second thing that we can pick up from Lord Rama is he always respected his elders. Whatever he was asked to do, he did it because he valued the presence of elders in his life. Today, if you have elders around you, you may not agree with them on every point of view. You may have your differences, you may call it generation gap. Please make sure you don't let your elders feel unvalued and unworthy. A lot is what we owe from our elders. See, the elders can give us wisdom, elders can give us togetherness, elders can give us a lot of love. Just make sure that your elders around you don't feel like they're useless, they're good for nothing. So many people come to me and tell me that our children don't consider us important at all, or nobody values us anymore in the family. Please make sure that your elders are respected. Lord Rama achieved great heights of success and even fought this difficult battle with Ravana without actually using any of his divine powers. It is said it is his compassion, his love, the purity in his mind and heart that made him so powerful that even Ravana could not stand a chance against him. In the same manner, remember, if you follow purity of thought, if you speak well and even respect the elders around you like how Lord Rama did, then the Lord of the universe is with you. If you imbibe these divine qualities of respect, love, value, compassion, forgiveness, then automatically you see the divine power within you guides you towards your higher life, your best life, the life that is going to make you happy and peaceful. The third thing from Lord Rama that we should take is he always obeyed the orders of his parents. I know this is something which is difficult in today's times. You may say that, parents have their own vision and so do we. What is important to understand is the debt that you owe to your parents, you cannot overcome all your life. What they have done for you, you cannot do. Despite doing everything for them, you will still have a karmic debt with them. Why? Because parents have done so much for us. They give you your body, they give you your family, they give you your blood. Please make sure whatever in your capacity you can do for your parents, you do. And you consider them as important for you. Spend time with them. They will not be with you forever. And when they go, you will really miss them. You will realize that you should have done so much more for them. So, whatever you can do in your capacity to make them happy, please do. Whether it's spending time with them, taking them out, this Diwali, speaking good words with them. Maybe we have not spoken our heart out to them. We haven't given them an opportunity to share their thoughts with us. This Diwali, please make sure that you follow the vision of Lord Rama and you also imbibe this quality of respecting and even loving your parents as much as you can. Next thing, the very important quality and virtue from Lord Rama that we can all take is forgiveness. Despite all the efforts that Ram took to convince Ravana to not do this war, despite knowing that people will think that Lord Ram is not powerful enough to fight this war, he did not think of others. He gave one more chance to Ravan. And he said he will forgive him, but Ravana did not agree. His ego did not allow him to. So very important that you also always choose the path of peace in life. Today, if there is somebody who's bothering you, who's hurt you, who's disrespected you, insulted you, please remember, forgiveness is a gift you will give yourself, your body, your health, your relationships, your family. So like Lord Rama, always let the first option be peace. Choose peace. Peace does not mean that you will allow the person to continue to do harm. You have every right to protect yourself, but please try and at least not hold any ill will towards anyone, because if you do, you bring your own energy down. What good is our Diwali if our hearts are still filled with darkness of hatred, bitterness, sadness, anger? These things will not allow you to lead a good life. They'll affect your health, they'll affect your relationships, even your career. So like Lord Rama, let us always have a heart of compassion. Even if others don't reciprocate, you will feel good. At least you tried your best. Another important point is that Lord Rama always kept a smile on his face despite all the challenges. He had the faith that he will be able to overcome these challenges. In the same manner, today in life, if you're having a very hard time, it's difficult for you to even celebrate this Diwali, don't worry, time will pass. Pleasure and pain both don't last. Lord Rama's life was an example. His life showed us that there is always going to be some challenges coming after good times, and good times have to come after challenges as well. So, as long as you hold on to your ultimate vision with faith that you want to lead a good, happy life, stay true to yourself. Lord will help you. The Lord of the universe will guide you. All you have to do is keep on, just like Lord Rama. He never gave up. You too must not give up. Finally, remember this time when you light a diya, just as the subjects of Ayodhya who lighted the Atma Jyoti, in the same manner today when you light a diya, remember the oil is love, God's love. The container or the diya is your connection with God. And finally, the matchstick that you use, the wick that you use and the matchstick that you use must be one of compassion and forgiveness, because in that way, not only will you ignite your own spirit and heart, you will fill your mind with pure thoughts. And this time, when you light the diya, remember, it's not just about simply praying like you do every year on Diwali. It's about ensuring that your connection with this divine force goes up, so that you connect with this force anytime you need guidance in life. That's what Diwali is about. It's about making sure that you feel a sense of connection with your divine self. There's an Upanishadic prayer which says, Asato ma sadgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya. Lead me from darkness to light. Let this be your prayer as well when you celebrate Diwali. Dear God, lead me from darkness to light. I am under your care and your divine protection. May I be happy. May everyone around me also be happy and healthy. Here's wishing you and your family a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Namaste.